Actually, should we put the music on so it doesn't get copyrighted? Welcome to
Mukbang.
Tiramisu Mukbang numero tres.
Spa tiramisu.
Spa tiramisu again.
Hashtag
It was
so
last
food.
time. First time.
I have it on ASMR.
Shush.
Shush. Wow.
Basically, the way that tiramisu mukbangs work on the channel is basically the first one was just Iris. Then that's me and Iris. That's me and you. So you've got to do one with someone else next. So you make sure that gets done.
Moosey.
Last time I was a
good.
little bit wine drunk, so it was better.
Yummy.
I love the sogginess of it. So,
What?
rate all members of
One Direction.
One Direction from most/least likely to fit into our year at school.
Most likely to. Niall Horan.
Which one's that?
The
Irish
blonde one. Yeah. Because he's not very talented.
What?
He seems like he could be a bit of a twat, but he seems like he'd also be quite funny
You
and
got
have a good
cocoa
laugh.
powder on your tablecloth.
He'd also probably be quite a good laugh.
Yeah.
Next, Liam, because he seems like he could be doing sports. Then Zayn, because he's just boring. This is also closer to Liam we're talking about.
Liam?
Yeah.
Liam's not gay. You talking about Louis?
Yeah, I mean Louis. Liam is the one that is boring, so third. And Harry won't fit in because he's just too interesting.
Not very interesting.
No, like he'd fit with us, but I'm thinking about in our
boys.
dynamic, he'd be with the boys anyway.
I think he could be in our friendship group there.
Really?
I think we friends with
Me.
Aaron.
Aaron would hate him. Oh, no, Aaron. No, he wouldn't be friends with Aaron. No one's friends with Aaron. Aaron doesn't want to have friends.
Yeah, but I think if Harry Styles rocked up, people like, okay, this is my chance. I'm going to show these bitches I'm better than them.
And then, yeah, he would be better than us. Because he would be friends with Harry Styles.
Yeah.
Harry Styles.
Harry Styles.
Harry Styles. But I'd want him to be my friend because then I could have more in common with Brittany Broski.
How didn't you settle down for Harry Styles?
You what?
The only person I settled down for is Harry Styles.
No, I wouldn't.
Is there anyone you settled down for?
Keely Hawes. Kate Blanchett. You know, I got a line in my lip. Keely Hawes, definitely.
What if?
What?
Okay. What would you do? Okay. If Harry Styles was like, Bo, Harry Styles was like, okay, Bo, I'll cast you in a film to play me, but you have to marry me and live with me for at least 15 years.
That's fine. We'd be each other's beard.
Right.
So he could go off with Louis.
But would you play Harry Styles in the film?
Yeah, look at me. You ready? I'm Harry Styles. Watermelon
You
sugar.
kind of look like Harry Styles.
Watermelon sugar. Do I?
Wait, look, but it kind of looks like Harry Styles.
Do I?
Well, Harry Styles and Kendall Jenner reunited.
Harry Styles and Kendall Jenner off Wish. That's pretty.
You saying that? No, I didn't think I'm a Wish Kendall Jenner. I think Kendall Jenner is the Wish me.
So true. Oh, Kris Jenner. No, I wouldn't settle down with Kris Jenner.
Salad. Kris Jenner is the Wish salad.
Hello.
Oh yeah, my mum's called Salad now.
Hello.
Hello. I'm Harry Styles.
I'm Kendall Jenner. I'm Kendall Jenner.
Hey.
Hey, I'm so
Hey.
excited. Oh my god, it's giving me anxiety.
I'm Harry Styles.
You got... I'm Kim Kardashian. Don't be fucking rude.
Hi. Oh my god, if Harry Styles was alpha, he would be this one.
What? Pink lemonade?
Oh no, he'd be watermelon. or kiwi.
She worked her way through a cheap cigarette.
I'm Harry Styles. I like tacos.
I'm
I have
Khloe
four.
Kardashian, and I definitely don't want to fuck my brother.
Can I tell you a secret, Chloe?
What?
Four nipples. I have four
Harry,
nipples.
that's not a secret. Harry,
Watermelon-
everyone knows that.
Watermelon sugar. Hi.
Harry, that's inappropriate. I wouldn't want to be high. Oh my god, no, that was my Courtney impression.
SpongeBob.
Anyway, I'm gonna go eat my organic fruit.
Why?
Harry Styles.
Watermelon sugar.